does it? The drum pedal. That's about the right spot.
No.
And then you play it with your foot.
I think the other one, the dwarf drum major.
I'm sorry, you're right. I'm going back to it, Mabs.
You play it with your foot.
That's all there is. He's the only dwarf drummer on the planet.
Your foot.
You should go and tell people you're actually a dwarf.
Hey?
You're a dwarf.
What?
You should tell people that you're a dwarf. You're a giant dwarf.
It's game day in Tigerland, and all eyes are on Pittsburgh's football squad.
Huh?
But for those fans who consider the band
Yeah, I
to
know.
be a
But
big
what are you going to do
hit,
with it now?
there's a little secret that everyone should know about.
What do you have to do with it now?
I don't like it so much. But
You going to give to Daddy? Going to give to Daddy? Or do you want Daddy to help? No, okay. Well, you fix it up then yourself. Put it down on the floor. Fix it up. You're good at that.
She's going to kill me. Please kill me.
You want some help? You want Daddy to help you? You want Peter to help? Where's Peter?
Exactly.
Yep. Where's Grandma? Where's Daddy? Yeah. You use your eyes, don't you? Want some help with that one?